How to add an account on Threads, a quick and easy guide. Want to have 2 or more accounts on the Threads app? It's possible. Let me show you how. Open the Threads app. Tap on the profile icon to access your profile. I'm currently logged in with only one account. To add a new account on Threads, long press on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. We add an account by clicking on the Add Profile button. You need to be logged into Instagram. If you have multiple Instagram profiles, select the one you want to add to Threads. Click on the selected profile. Wait a few seconds, then choose the type of profile. If you want everyone to see, share, and interact with your content, select Public Profile. If you want your content to be visible only to your followers, choose Private Profile. I'll choose Private Profile. Press the Continue button to proceed. Here, you can individually follow the accounts you follow on Instagram. If you want to follow all of them, click on the Follow All button, which I will do now. Here you can read more about how Threads works. Click on the Join Threads button. And you've successfully added a Threads account. Tap on the profile icon, and you'll see that you're now on a new Threads profile. Now you can enjoy Threads app with multiple accounts. If you want to add more profiles, simply repeat the process. Thank you for following and loving our content. For more digital updates, follow our channel.